Hey team, it's Coach Halkert back with another weekly lesson. So this lesson is going to incorporate things we do every day of our lives and some things that maybe we don't do every single day. We're going to work on our locomotor movements. These are movements that we use in a variety of ways: to play activities, to play games, to exercise, or in sports. Some of you are going to be an expert at them already. So I challenge you to find a way to make them a little more difficult when you're trying them. And for some of you, this is your first time trying them. And I have faith that eventually you're going to get really good at them. Right? Now, with that being said, I have a special guest this week that's going to do these activities. You can try them inside, and then for extra practice, try them outside. All right? I know I have faith that you're going to do well and have fun. All right, my friends, watch the video, practice your skills, make them challenging if they're easy for you. All right, I'll talk to you. See you soon. Now walking requires swinging your arms opposite of your legs. You're going to have a heel-toe formation. It is probably one of the easiest skills to do. It's the first thing you taught yourself as a little child. Walking is great exercise. Spent the last year chasing myself. Now you're galloping. One foot follows the other while your hands go back and forth, opposite of your legs. The front foot always leads, the back foot always stays behind. So giddy up there, cowboys and cowgirls. Work on your galloping. Sort of like galloping, except your feet never cross each other and you're always facing away from your head. You can use it in sports like basketball or football. Sliding is a lot of fun activity, and sometimes it's actually used as dance. Once again, notice the feet never cross each other. All right, my friends, try to work on your slide. See how fast you can go side to side. Make it a challenge. Make it a game. Jumping requires taking off on 2 feet and landing on 2 feet softly, bending your knees, using your arms to get as high and as far as you can. Notice Albert is not falling on the ground. You want to try your best and land. Hopping requires taking off 1 foot and landing on the same foot, bounding back and forth, side to side, however you want to do your hopping. You want to make sure that you have good balance. You're bending your knees and staying on your feet and not falling down. Good job, Albert. Leaping is taking off 1 foot and landing on the other. You don't want to jump out too far so you fall down. There's Albert lands and bends his knees a little bit to keep his balance. If you get really good at leaping, it's going to allow you to play a lot of different games in your life and lead to the next skill. Skipping is almost like walking or marching in place, taking a step and with a little hop. If you're not good at skipping, just take a step, bring your knee up, parallel to the ground, and then switch foot. Eventually you get so good, you'll go so fast, you may even be able to try it backwards. So step, bring your knee up, and swing your arms opposite of your knee. Good luck. This one needs no introduction. You do it a lot. You always want to do it in class. Here comes Albert. Boy, Albert's slow.
but that's okay. Not everybody's fast. The difference between walking and running is at some point when you're walking, one foot's always touching the ground. When you're running, at some point both feet are off the ground, almost like you're flying. All right, my friends, make sure that when you're running, your foot's landing underneath your knee. You're landing on your toes. You don't want to land on your heels. That's going to make you a better runner. Go, Albert, go. Boy, he's taking his time. I think he's being silly. He's purposely running slow. I know Albert can run a lot faster from his Rocky run back in the spring. Maybe he's just a little tired. But that's okay. He's running the pace that he wants to run. That's what's great about running. You're only challenging yourself. You never have to worry about anybody else. And Albert's working on his heart by running. Good job, Albert. Whoa, that's the Albert I know.